Welcome to Module 8, Rebellion and Race in the British Colonies. In this module, we will move to the British colonies in the South, Virginia and Carolina, to examine the ways in which British colonial society was stratified by race, class, and gender. We'll start with a contextualization and examination of Bacon's Rebellion, a 1675 conflict between wealthy colonial administrators and a group of landless former indentured servants in Virginia. This conflict is usually represented in history textbooks as a battle between white colonists of different class backgrounds. Our module will complicate the story a bit by introducing the context of colonists' tensions with surrounding native nations, and ongoing battles between native nations that began long before the English arrived. We'll then examine one of the significant effects of Bacon's Rebellion, which was the expansion of an Indian slave trade in the Southeast. Between 1670 and 1715, the British enslaved between 30,000 and 50,000 Southern natives. The Indian slave trade was a major part of the economic development of the British Empire in the South. We'll explore how native slaves acted as a bridge between a system of white indentured servitude and a slave society which emerged at the beginning of the 18th century. We'll ask questions about what enslavement of native people meant for both European settlers and native allies who supplied captives for the trade. We'll end the module by looking critically at a well-established theory by historian Edmund Morgan, who seeks to answer the question of the central paradox in American history. Why did a system of racial slavery develop simultaneously alongside the development of rhetoric about liberty and freedom? These questions will prepare us to analyze the institution of early colonial slavery in detail starting in Week 6. The required readings for this module will allow you to see how enslaved people and indentured servants were governed and regulated in British colonial society. For one of the readings, the Virginia Codes regulating servitude and slavery, instead of the annotations, you will answer a series of questions I've designed to help you navigate this particular source. You'll also read a JSTOR Daily article which provides more background on the issue of native slavery. Don't forget to submit your answers to the Slido polls by Thursday at midnight. I'm looking forward to reading more of your thoughts on these topics. Good luck with Module 8.